Granbo Megasonic Cleaning Technology. 978 kHz high frequency 1200 watts. Ideal for semiconductors, LCD panels, HDD components and substrates, optical parts, electronic components. 430 to 950 kHz high frequency operation helps reduce cavitation damage while improving particle removal efficiency on sensitive surfaces. Stable liquid vibration demonstrates consistent megasonic energy distribution throughout the cleaning tank. Fine bubble movement visualization shows the gentle cleaning action required for advanced precision manufacturing. Granbo provides customized megasonic cleaning solutions for different cleaning objects and production processes. Available configurations include tank type, nozzle type, water curtain type systems. Contact area materials can be customized with stainless steel, quartz, and other special materials. Megasonic cleaning delivers superior performance for sub-micron precision cleaning applications.